Will you tell me about everything you got?
No.
Or just point them out then.
No.
Did you get some fun stuff?
Uh-huh.
Like what?
Clothes.
Clothes. Nice clothes.
Pants. Shorts.
Shirts. Yeah. What else did you get?
A picture
Uh-huh.
frame.
A picture frame with a picture in it. Look.
And a game.
Go fish. Yeah.
And a TV.
And an activity book. You're very excited about the activity book, aren't you? Yeah. Fun. What do you say to Grandpa Jim and Grandma Becky?
They're not here.
I know. Can you just say it anyway?
No.
I'm going to show them this video later on, so can you say, thank you, Grandpa Jim, thank you, Grandma Becky. Can you wave to them? Pretend they're in here.
Not yet.
No.
When you see them next, what do you think you'll say to them? When somebody gives us something, we say, bonk.
That's pretty neat stuff you got. Say thank you. How about just say bye-bye? Or see you later. See you later, Tess. Bye-bye.
Don't say bye-bye.
Why not?
Because I'm part of your family.
You're so smart. How old are you today? 3. What a big girl. 3 years old.
It's a nice day.
All right. Thanks for showing us your gifts.